Okay, so good morning. We're recording. So today is Thursday, July 30 at exactly 7:51 AM. So quick recap lang tayo sa nangyari kagabi. So we are able to anticipate the bearish move siguro. Bearish move o yung down close candles ng ah, second candle ng 10 PM, 4-hour candle. So, we can 'yun. So, punta muna tayo sa higher time frame to have a recap. So, let's review what happened. So, hindi tayo nakapag-recording kasi it took until 12 midnight. So, as you can see 'no, down close yung pinakamahabang down close yung nangyari kagabi. So, daily na tayo sa 4 hour. So, as we finish from 10, hide ko muna 'to. So, ayun. Itong 10 natin, 10 o'clock PM natin is parang nagkaroon lang siya dito ng, liquidity sweep sa higher time frame, which is nagkaroon ng malaking wick lang, then it return doon sa below ng opening. So, small lang yung difference niya sa 10 o'clock. Then by 2 AM, ah, 2 AM, so 14 'to, na-sweep naman niya yung both 6 AM 6 AM and then yung 2 o'clock ng Wednesday. So, yun. So, nagkaroon ng okay, so sorry for the interruption. So, as we continue, um, sa daily 4 hour, so, yung 4 hour natin as I have said earlier, na-sweep nung, yung 4 hour, next 4 hour natin, which is yung 2 AM 2 AM ng madaling araw kanina, na-sweep niya yung previous 4 hours, 4 hour candles, previous 3 4 hour candles. So, um, upon sweeping the highs of the previous 4 hour candles, yung 3 consecutive na 4 hour candles before 2 AM, nag-continuous siya below. So, na-hit na rin niya yung key level natin, which is the order block, yung daily order block natin. So, yeah, daily order block, 'yan, na-hit niya. So, upon checking to the left side, so 'yun. And then, let's go back. So, let's go down further. From 4 hour, we go to 1 hour. So, upon checking 'no, actually marami na nangyayari. So, bearish naman pa rin siya. But as we can see here in chart 'no, ito yung entry ko. So, nagkaroon ng market maker buy model dito. So, buti na lang, meron may swep pa dito before change of state and delivery to the buy side. So, continuous sell side pa rin. Nag-tap tayo dun sa sa previous hour low. So, eto, kung makikita natin, na-reach siya. So, it went deeper pa doon sa pinaka-expected natin. So, sa day 2 ng funding tips free trial account natin, baka na-hit na natin sana yung ano, yung 8% na target, but nag-kuwan lang tayo, naging patient lang tayo, naging resilient lang tayo dun sa practice natin na risk reward ratio na 1:2. So, 1 risk, 2 reward, so dun lang tayo nag-focus. So, actually it went good, so na-hit siya, but suddenly nag-froze kasi yung MetaTrader 5 account ko, yung sa mobile. But upon checking the chart, it went to our target dun sa key level and as well as yung mga variables ng like tapping daily order block. So yun yung pinaka-target talaga. But hindi natin inassume na didiretso siya dun kasi we lack, we patiently deliver a 2 hour. So hindi na natin in-extend pa doon sa daily order block na key level. And then from 1 hour, so ang counterpart niya for the market maker, yung confirmation time frame natin sa 5 minute. Ah, so maganda rin kasi nag-antay tayo ng change of state, change of state ng delivery. So masabi ko dito may equal loss tayo, which is a good, hindi siya good indicator but, another variable to consider kung ise-sweep niya kasi liquidity pa rin 'yan. So mga unmitigated liquidities pa rin na in relation to, ah, sa naka-highlight natin na key level. So, it went to the daily order block, itong block na line na makapal. So, it went, lower than we expected na magre-retrace siya. But upon reaching the order block, yung daily order block natin, nagkaroon tayo ng change of state dito. So, ito yung 5 minute na delivery, change of state of delivery. And it went siguro if ever, kung sakali, mag-e-entry tayo kasi meron tayong displacement. Confirmation displacement, I think meron tayong presence of upon displacement may presence tayo ng fair value gap. So ito. And then respecting the premium, so hindi naman siya pumunta ng discount. So when when price respect the premium level of fair value gap, mapa-BC man 'yan, bullish fair value gap or bearish fair value gap, basta ni-respect itong upper 50% range ng, fair value gap, it continues the price. So kino-continue niya yung, direksyon ng price. And then meron naman tayong, formation ng liquidity dito sa taas. So relative equal like highs, and at the same time, meron tayong minarkahan dito sa left side natin sa market maker buy model. So meron tayong key areas pa rin dito na in-anticipate, which actually na-reach niya kasi namarkahan din natin siya. So may fair value gap tayo, CB dito, and then meron tayong order block pa rin dito, bearish order block, which is another key level sa market maker buy program. So ito na yung na-reach niya. So ang ganda. And then 1 hour CB already hit as well. Change of state nung higher time frame natin. I think this is 1 hour or 4 hours or maybe a day. Na-hit din yung change of state natin. So, tingnan natin kung saan siya. Oops, na-hit din yung change of state and delivery natin. So, it went well. So, na-hit natin yung 1:2 change of state sa 4 hour yata. So, just a quick recap lang, no. Medyo magulo yung chart kasi hinayaan ko yung mga values and variables and labelings last night sa New York PM session natin. So, PM siya kasi going to 12 na siya eh. Going to 12 midnight na siya. So, lunch break yun ng mga Amerika. So, sa counterpart sa atin, paumaga pa lang sa kanila lunchtime na yun. So, PM session siya. So, yun. Buti na lang hindi tayo nag 3 hour or I think nag more than 2 hour tayo, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour na risk reward kasi mahi-hit yung stop loss natin. But we manage our, emotion as well as yung psychology natin when it comes to at the same time, sinunod natin yung, trading strategy natin or trading plan, which is kailangan magkaroon ng, respect sa higher time frame narrative. Kung ano yung higher time frame narrative natin, yun yung susundin natin na bias, same time confirmation na rin sa intermediate, and then another confirmation for the entry, yung swing point for the lower time frames, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Actually, maganda yung 3 minutes dito. When we go, actually, we check from 4 hour to 1 hour, we can go to split we can split the 1 hour into 30 minutes. Maganda rin yung entry dito, 30 minutes and then confirmatory ng 30 minutes, same point pa rin dito sana sa may 9 o'clock. So, yung opening ng New York 8:30, opening ng index is 9:30. So, meron ng sweep diyan sa taas ng, um, buy side. So, nag-antay lang tayo magantay lang tayo ng displacement below and then re-entry tayo doon sa may, displacement with the presence of fair value gap o yung CB natin. And then, entry siguro dito sa 3 minute. Ang ganda ng chart dito sa 3 minute. Actually, ito yun. 9:30, let's mark, lagyan ko ng label. This is 9:30, 9:30. Ito, 9:30 ito. Tapos 9:33 may sweep na yung sa 8:30 natin. Check din natin yung 8:30. This 8:30 is medyo kan siya. So 8:30, supposedly we check first the levels o yung ano natin. The market should respect time and price, both time and price. So 8:30, then 9:30, merong sweep dito, manipulation or sweep dito sa ating sa 9:30 natin. Manipulation 9:33 and then change of state natin siguro dito na 9:45. Then if ever mag-e-entry tayo, antayin lang natin mag, mag-opening yung next 3 minutes sa ito, sa 9:48. Kunwari ito, let's say dito mag-confirm. Or if ever naman, if hindi pa tayo kung gusto natin ng mas magandang malinis na entry, we anticipate a retracement. So, displacement 'tong, um, consecutive for, bearish up down close candles. Then we wait for a retracement sa part. So, itong may blue na mark 'to, I think sa 5 minute ba 'to, 15 minute? 5 minute na fair value gap, yun. Itong yung blue area, 5 minute fair value gap siya. So, 'pag tignan natin yung then we can have the entry. Then, dito sa may siguro little higher lang dito, sa may second consecutive candle na down close. And then mag-target ko siguro 1:2. I think 1:2 is better. We can go even farther from 2.2 or to 2.5 to 3. So, I think diretso pa yan kung sakali hanggang 5 hours na siya. But, hindi tayo magre-risk ng ganito kaikling stop loss. At the same time, magwo-work din naman siya, mag-e-execute naman, magwo-work din siya if ever, sinilip natin ang 3 but mas safer sana but risky yung, um, stop loss natin dito sa 3 minute na entry time frame. So, dun naman sa 1 minute, kaya ko din siya pinili kasi nag-allocate ako ng time or nag-antay pa ako ng sync point o change of state and delivery. And then at the same time, inalign ko siya doon sa 1 hour. So, sa second hour nung 10 o'clock na 4 hour candle. So, in-anticipate ko pa yung hour. Then, kinonfirm ko yung early and then after 1 hour, um, confirmation na lang sa 5 minutes. And then, so upon confirming the 5 minutes yung displacement and then retrace, then sa 1 minute, 1 minute natin. So, ito. So, nasaan na siya? Oh, what happened? So, yun. we actually hit it. So, yun. So, we close. So, check natin din to check ko na lang yung funding pips account ko to have, at least realistic proof na nag-take tayo ng entry. So, let's check it for a while. Ayan. So, today's profit, yung accumulated today's profit natin is going around $345.71. So, 86% na tayo, no? So, 14% na lang, mahi-hit na natin yung target profit na 8%. So, parang 5,400 siya. From $5,000 dollars account, dapat 5,400 yung expected na target profit natin. Yun yung 8% na target profit. So, yan. Ito yan yung proof. Isang trade lang 'to. We allocate 0.05 lot size, 'no? Kasi sure naman tayo, standard pa rin susundin natin, but we can still adjust our lot size depending on the quality of the setup, trade setup. So, ito, and then, so ito yan siya. Check natin din 'to, mag-generate tayo. So, upon entry, 'no, sa 11 na, sa next arc tayo kasi ang 10 o'clock is the second 4 hour yata, second or third 4 hour candle. So, pumasok tayo sa before mag-close yung 10, bago mag 2 o'clock, nag-enter tayo dun sa next early candle, which is 11. And then, nag-close lang tayo. Hindi na tayo nag-go beyond 12 midnight o yung nag-end tayo ng open ng lunchtime, New York PM session. So, yun. So, yan yung ano natin, closing trade natin, 142.7. So, isa pa, one more to go to close. Hopefully 'no, ma-hit na natin, 14% na lang, konting-konti na lang. We can actually hit our profit, target profit. So, yun lang. Peace. So, God bless, and continue pa rin sa follow sa'kin. So, more backtesting videos at the same time. So, hopefully makapag-funded na tayo dito. Maka tayo ng challenge for evaluation phase. So, peace out.